session, I'll invite Dr. Avinash. Uh, so this is lot of thanks. I'll just give lot of thanks to everybody. Then I'll hand over the mic to Avinash. So who put all his effort together to bring a beautiful program, bringing all world experts together in a single platform. And so, dear colleagues, honorable faculties, virtual physical delegates, ladies and gentlemen, and my dear friends. On behalf of the organizing committee of Midterm Endocrine 2021, I express my deep gratitude to everyone who has been a part of this Congress and made it a success. The first hybrid conference under HGEI was organized and conducted at Odisha, Bhubaneswar, under the guidance of Honorable Chairman Sir Dr. D. Nageshwar Reddy and the Honorable Honorary Secretary Dr. Sandeep Laktekia, the President Sir Dr. Matthew Philip. So it gives me immense pleasure to tell you that we had around 3,000 people joining us from across the globe to participate in this Congress, making it a huge success. Because of you only, we are just working forward, moving forward. An event like this cannot happen overnight. The wheels started rolling months back with extreme support and blessing from our honorable organizing chairman. We have been fortunate enough to be backed by a team of very motivated and dedicated colleagues. I'm extremely blessed here that people who are with me, so they are extremely dedicated, hardworking, and they're supporting me like anything. Without whom this conference would not have been possible. I would like to thank everyone, not only any particular order, who have helped us make this dream come true. So, Dr. D. Nageshwar Reddy sir, for being the trailblazer under whose chairmanship the whole event was molded. Dr. Sandeep Laktekia for his vision and guidance, and Dr. Matthew Phillips sir for supporting and guiding me and Avinash all through the preparation and for the conference. Dr. Avinash, who was the mind behind the brilliant scientific and out of the box session. We put many out of the box sessions because we know we are human beings. So we need to move forward. There are many challenges in our life. So we should be knowing many things in addition to our profession, what we are doing. So, for all the dignitaries, Dr. Klaus Marchner, Dr. David Greenwald, Dr. Fabian Emura, Dr. Nalini Kuda, who was instrumental supporting today also, he just sending messages of support and blessings. This please go ahead. Dr. Moez Goenka, Dr. Matthew Philip, Dr. S.P. Singh, for the trust they showed in us, their presence, humble support. On this note, I would like to put light to the fact that this is for the first time in the history that the presidents of societies were on the same platform to bless us. This okay, Indian doctors, you just walk forward. Further, I would like to thank Dr. Manas Behera and Jimmy Narayan, like my good friends who are co-organizing secretary for their efforts and leadership skills. Along with the whole team of doctors, who took out their precious time from this busy schedule. We know that this is a very difficult time. So very difficult to convince the state government to get permission for 200 people, 200 doctors sitting together and managing everything, following the protocols. So they are supervising, they are having people here what exactly we are doing. So we are able to conduct the 3 days conference at Bhubaneswar. Along with the whole team of doctors who took out the precious time for the busy schedule to make this event happen, Dr. Ananta Agasti, another my good friend, Dr. Pritam Nath, my good friend, Dr. Devakant Misra, Dr. Sabit Agrawal, Dr. Ram Gopal Teja, Dr. Srini, Dr. Sarup, Dr. Radhika, Dr. Girish, Dr. Pragya, Dr. Pajna, Dr. Minal, who put a lot of effort. I was a little bit very much stressed, like how to take it forward. They are suffered. Then this print and electronic media for the cover up of our conference. We reached not only Orissa, India, we reached across the globe. So we are doing the first hybrid conference. The Mayfair Hotel, the best hotel in the city for their wonderful hospitality. I'm grateful to them. Medwish Healthcare, Dr. Montachen Ekta Saleha, excellent support. So HK Visual, Audio Visual Team, Entertain Events, Fabrication, Entertainment Partner, they did a beautiful job. Casa Events, Aditi and team, they saw the running. Mr. Aditya for all the permissions and media coordination. Last but not the last, so the sponsorship partner without whom this conference would not have been possible. Alphabetically, I'm just telling their name: Triple F Pharma, Abbott, Alnich, Boston Scientific, Cipla, Delvin, Dr. Reddy's Lab, RB, Fusion Healthcare, Intas, Aaron, and Hasprime, Celestial Division, Hetero, Lupin, Natco, Olympus, Pfizer, Sputonics, Silpa Medicare, Sun Pharma, Talent India, Torrent, Juventus, and Zydus. Once again, thank you very much for the support and unending hard work. Without each one of you, this event would not have been successfully conducted. So, in fact, we are grateful. We are grateful on the bottom of our heart to everybody who are directly, indirectly involved. And we are grateful to the stalwart who joined us and blessed us. Yes, yes, let us carry it forward. So when difficult time, everybody know when the last part of this pandemic, many pandemics came before also in the world history. So we are also coming to a normal life. So that is the idea we started the hybrid conference. So I'm just handing over the mic to Dr. Avinash, my good friend, best friend, so to speak few words.
I'm thankful, extremely thankful and grateful for Dr. Manoj was my 1 year senior in CMCLO. So my first call for this conference came in October, so that I need to design the scientific agenda. So then organizing chairman sir's blessings, Nageshwar Reddy sir's blessings were there. And we designed the scientific agenda covering the 6 parts of the endoscopist life, that is endoscopy, colonoscopy, US, ERCP, and all. Then some of the topics got flipped. So like little bit of coordination we were able to manage. It is our wonderful experience because this is our first conference together. So my role is very minimal because I took care of only the scientific agenda. The major role is predominantly by Dr. Manoj Sahu and his team here in Orissa. So we are thankful and grateful to all the elders. So one by one, Manoj Bhai has already mentioned, but predominantly I need to mention Dr. Nalliguda sir's name because he is instrumental in getting all the international faculty, including the presidents, because that is the highlight of our conference. And Dr. Naresh Bhatt, who is our Karnataka IIG president and ex-president IIG, so they are instrumental in guiding us, mentoring us, and helping us all the way, starting from designing as well as designing the scientific agenda to taking it forward and executing it to near perfection. So we hope that we will do much better future endeavors, and we seek all the blessings of elders and the God Almighty from Apuri. So I hand over mic to Dr. Manas Bega, so he is the joint organizing secretary.
Thank you, sir. I great pleasure to thank you all. I'm thankful to all. Manoj sir has already mentioned, but my greatest thankfulness to my all my teammates like Jimmy, Pritam, Anant Agasti, and everybody. My DM residents Teja, Senit, Radhika, and Swarup. They have worked for last 1 week very. They are working here till midnight and going home. So without their support, means they have worked tremendously to make this event successful. And this is the idea for both these leaders, Dr. Manoj Rao and Dr. Avinash. They have inspired us so anytime we seek help from them, many times because faculties we don't reach to them because we take the help of these two great persons. So thank you because we have a great exposure in organizing this conference. So thank you all. Thank you sir for guiding us and making this program very successful. Thank you.
Thank you, everyone. So we just build blocks upon the basics. My team, whoever I thought that they will help Dr. Vikram, Dr. Awasthi, and my team residents, everyone were up to the task whenever we asked help from them. And this shows for us the
way we function in this department in our city, that we go together, we move together, and we are definitely looking for something better.
Thank you very much. Another few minutes only. So we are the difficult time where pandemic is still there. So we are not able to express our gratitude like every time in conference is to give like a small token of love. So we are not able to give, but we'll be sending to everybody, international faculties, national speaker, faculty, everybody. So we'll be trying to reach them and express our gratitude again. So who are present here? So few minutes only. I'll invite Dr. Avinash. Please come forward. So without his support, I think it was not possible to conduct such a meeting. Bharat is here. Bharat, good afternoon. So can you just hand over Manas and Agasti? Can you just give me and Pritam hand over this thing to Avinash? Avinash, thank you very much. Thank you very much for your support. So I think what we'll be doing, so in this very possible beautiful program, why not we join hand together in future also and work forward? So not only that Karnataka and Orissa, I think if we are joining hands in every states in the country, I think we can do a great job in this country. The India is a great country. Thank you very much, Avinash. So now we request Dr. Manas Behra. Can I request Avinash to hand over a small token of love to Manas Behra? Manas is a good friend of mine, a great colleague. So we are working as a team. So we are learning many things from AIG. So today morning talk was like a great talk, heart to heart talk. We learned a lot of things, so many things from our honorable chairman, sir. So we'll be following in our life. Dr. Avinash, Dr. Jimmy. Dr. Jimmy, please come. Very kind-hearted Jimmy, they hardworking. So thank you, Dr. Jimmy. So let's maintain this relationship and carry it forward. Thank you, Dr. Jimmy. Ananta Agasti. Dr. Ananta Agasti, you have great support of my beautiful heart you have. So let's work forward and bring Orissa towards the front line. So Dr. Pritam Nath. Dr. Pritam Nath is an excellent human being. Excellent human being. He is from King's Hospital, Bhubaneswar, under Professor Acharya and Professor A.C. Anand. So thank you, Pritam, being a part of our team. Dr. Devakant Misra. Devakant Misra is not here, so she'll begin another hall. Okay, Dr. Sobhit, can you please come forward, Dr. Sobhit? Dr. Sabit, you are very good. You are very good, sir. A great person you are, sir. Thank you very much, Sabit. Sir, Dr. Ram Gopal Teja. Ram Gopal Teja, again from Andhra Pradesh. You thought that, okay, I'll go to Orissa and pursue my study. Thank you very much, Ram Gopal. You put tremendous effort. So without you people, it is not possible to carry this scientific program forward. 6 halls running together. We are completely new. We have to follow all protocols, etc. Everybody is watching us. So thank you. Then I'll call Dr. Srinit. Dr. Srinit from Karnataka. Thank you, Dr. Srinit. A great effort you put together. Dr. Swarup Naik. Swarup, thank you very much. You are from the state only. Let's work together and take this state forward. Swarup, thank you very much. Dr. Radhika. Dr. Radhika from Gujarat. So thank you, Radhika. You came to Bhubaneswar. You are with us. Thank you very much. Radhika did a great job. Thank you, Radhika. So Dr. Girish Kumar Poti. Dr. Girish is not his other hall. Okay. Dr. Prajna. Dr. Prajna, can I invite? Okay. Dr. Ninal. Okay. So we'll be sending to them. So can I request Dr. Mamta Jain? Dr. Mamta Jain from Medwich Healthcare. So okay, so she'll be there. Okay, we'll be Dr. Mamta Jain. We are grateful to you, thankful to you, your team. HK Visual, Patnaik Babu. Patnaik Babu, sir, thank you very much. You are very kind-hearted. You are very kind-hearted. This is an experiment. So Patnaik Babu, thank you very much. So I scolded you a little bit. So thank you very much. It's an experiment for every one of us. Thank you, Patnaik Babu. Please excuse me, please forgive me. So entertain events, fabrication, entertainment partner Saraj Babu. So, can I call Saraj Babu, very simple human being, but he have great talent. Whatever we ask, he doing. So, I've seen him. If you ask him something, tell him something, everything will be done very perfectly, very perfect. Saraj Babu, thank you. Then Mamta Madam, can I call you on the stage? Mamta Madam, Ekta Saleha and Hardik, the team, excellent support. We are grateful to you, Madam. Okay, yes, yes, please.
Thank you so much, Dr. Sahu and Dr. Avinash, for this thing. I remember the first call that Dr. Avinash had called up, greeting her and all the things. I thank all the faculties, sir, Dr. Nageshwar Reddy and everyone. I know my team bothered you all a lot the last couple of months about recording and everything. But we all agree this for this bigger thing. Thanks for the opportunities and we look forward to that. Thanks.
Thank you, Madam. Now, Mayfair Hotels, Mayfair Hotel, so I feel the best hotel in the city. If you see the hotel, I feel the best hotel in the country. So, Mamta Madam, okay. So there are many beautiful properties are there. Can I request Chidananda Babu? Chidananda Babu is the chief of Mayfair Hotels. So, Chidananda Babu, so you are very luxurious hotel. So this is nothing. So what we are giving. So this is basically we want to show our gratitude, show our love, affection. So kindly be associated with us. So we are poor people. So thank you very much. So can I request the Eventus, Casa Eventus Aditi and team. They are great people. The team is, so they are helping me like anything. So thank you very much, Aditi and team. Okay, so Mr. Aditya, thank you very much, but he's not here. Some unfortunate incident happened to him. So thank you, Aditya. I'll be meeting you subsequently. Last but not the least, our sponsorship partners. So I met them individually. From the bottom of our heart, I convey our regards, gratitude to everybody, all sponsorship partners. I might have forgotten many names, but so we are conveying our gratitude to everybody, especially our organizing chairman, Dr. D. Nageshwar Reddy. So during difficult time, he agreed, he came here, he blessed us. So that great thing, sir. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much. And all the international faculty who blessed us were present on the first day, other days also. So they just shared their expertise, their experience. They educated us not only Orissa doctor, Indian doctors, the doctors across the country, doctors across many countries that joined our conference. So I might have forgotten few names. Kindly forgive us, but we are expressing gratitude to everybody who are directly, indirectly involved in this conference. So these are difficult times. So in this time, what we'll do, we'll pray now. This pandemic should disappear. Pandemic should go, and we'll start living a normal life again. So finally, so I'll again request our organizing chairman, sir, to speak few words, then we conclude the session.
Manoj, again, I want to congratulate you and the big team there. I can now see that the team is really big and you have motivated all of them to work for this. So this is very important, and I think you've set a certain standard for hybrid conferences that others will have to follow. It may not be so easy to follow this. Your leadership and the team that you have there is remarkable. I think the fact that with such a complex conference, we had very few technical glitches is an indication of how everything was so smoothly incorporated. So when a conference like this is over, everybody will think, oh, it looks so easy, but they don't realize there's so much of background work. There's so much of things going on in the background, so much of last minute changes that occur. And I can see that you have overcome all this so smoothly that outside it looks like everything went smoothly. And I think once again, a testimony to your leadership. And I'm sure that there will be many more conferences coming from there. Thank you very much for the opportunity for me to be involved.
Thank you, Nageshwar Reddy sir. I actually represented you, so it was very emotional for me. And I'm thankful for Manoj.